Alright, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about file reading in Java. We're going to be using a buffered reader for this tutorial. There's other options available as well. So just a little bit of a description of our scenario. We have our path here stored in the string, and that path is the path for this file right here. It has two things in it. ID is 3, balance is 100. Just some information we're going to read from the file and print out to the user. And the printing is going to happen right here. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a file reader. We're going to call it fr, and we'll set that equal to a new file reader, and that's going to take in the path of the file as an argument. And the next step would be to add a try catch around it, like so. Okay, once that's done, that's just going to handle some errors. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a buffered reader. We're going to call that br, and we're going to set that equal to a new buffered reader, and its parameter for the constructor is going to be that file reader we just made. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make a string called current line, and we're going to set that equal to br dot read line, and that's going to read in a line from the file. And it's giving us an exception, a little error here, because we need to add a catch clause. So this catch is going to catch an IO exception, which is a problem from reading in a line. And the one above it is going to catch a file not found exception if they can't find the file. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to check to see if the current line is not null, because if it's not null, that means that we have something in there, and we're going to want to save it to the content string, like so. So we're going to want to concatenate on the current line, and we're going to also want to add on /n here. That's just going to make the output nicer. It's going to make the next line appear on the next line of content. And if there's more file, we're going to want to set current line equal to br.readline to get the next line of content from the file. And if it's null, it'll get stopped right here. Okay, so assuming everything goes through this nicely, it's going to have the contents of the file printed out below. So let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. As you can see, we have ID 3, balance 100, just like the text file has. Great, it worked. Thanks for watching.